What's up, guys? Just wanted to give you guys a little tip when you're changing out the condenser. Um, I'm not going to show you how to do it, but I already took the rails out. But just a tip, go ahead when you take out the air filter box, the air box, go ahead and take out this piece. And then what holds it is a little arm bracket. And that way you can go ahead and make it easy to get to this bolt and this bolt. I know other videos don't show that, which they're still helpful because that's how I took mine off. But they try to go from under the car to get to these bolts, or just make it very awkward to get to this one. And I just think you take an extra, 3-5 minutes, take these little two items out, and it makes it way easier. Cool. Just wanted to share that tip.